back to the video. And today, you know how my last video we made it out alive and I can end and you heard that? Yeah. I will tell you a tip. Do not download CapCut Pro on Androids. It might only work on iPhones, I don't know.
But it's pretty terrible.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, those, don't listen to those. I might delete them, don't know, I might just keep them. And goodbye. Make sure to subscribe.